All right, guys, 2016 Mustang 5.0, fully built. Got a bunch of stuff done to the motor, injectors, I don't know. He named a bunch of stuff off. All I know, it's fully built. Anyways, let me show you guys on exhaust-wise. He brought it in. The actuators weren't working on his Valvetronics. We fixed them for him. Very simple fix. Anyways, it's got long tube headers there and there. High flow cats right there, all bolt on. Then it's got an X-pipe. Full system bolt on all the way back, and then the two Valvetronics mufflers. One right there and one right there. There's the valves on it right there, the actuators, and they go into the trunk. Came out really nice, clean. Got the Valvetronics tips too to finish it off. It's a little bit dirty. It's been snowing all weekend, so that's why it's dirty. But it'll be clean again soon. But I said, why not? I'm gonna do a video for you guys of a Valvetronic Mustang fully built. Why not? All right, you guys are gonna be pleasantly surprised how quiet it is when the valves are closed compared when they're open. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like it. And guys, on this Mustang, there's his Instagram. If you guys want to go follow him, tell him we said what's up. Tell him Exhaust Addicts sent you. There it is. Hit him up. If you like his build, he said he's going to pro charge it next. So I would follow him if I were you guys. Why not? Support the car community. He brought it in. He was cool about it. He's like, yeah, go ahead, do a video. I don't care. That's my kind of people. So anytime you guys have any nice built cars, send them our way. We'd love to do a video of them. Send us a DM on Instagram with the build, and we'll tell you what time to bring them in. Or if you guys ever have any questions, concerns, anything, you can always hit us up on Instagram at The Exhaust Addicts. All right? Stay tuned. All right, this is startup with valves closed on this Valvetronic, fully built, RP-tuned Mustang. Here we go. Go ahead. Doesn't even sound like it has any exhaust on it. Look. That's the nice thing about Valvetronics. It's super quiet when they're closed. Get away from when you're in a neighborhood or anything like that. So this is idle. Right at 79, look. Remember, this fully tuned, long tube headers, everything. So if you guys want it, they have it. Get Valvetronics if you want it quiet when you want and loud when you want. Go ahead and give it gas. Again. See how quiet it is? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 105. Again. So remember, guys, this is valves closed. One more. Valves closed. So now this is round two, guys. This is valves open. Valvetronics designs, valves open. Go ahead. So they're closed. He's about to open them. Look at the difference in tone. There they are. They just opened. So this is idle. Still quiet, which is amazing. All right, go ahead and give it gas. That's how a Mustang should sound. That's crazy. Again. Wow. Very nice. Which one do you guys like more? Valves closed or valves open? Again. Here's sound decibels. 127, guys. That's insane. That's a 30 decibel difference almost. Again. Hell yeah. That's again, valves open, guys. Go ahead and back it out. This is our beautiful shop, guys, in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a follow, a share. If you guys ever need anything, give us a call. We can help you out. Even if you don't want any work done, if you need just help, let us know. Go ahead. That's valves open, guys. Go ahead and close them. This is valves closed now. Go ahead. See the difference? That's crazy. Again. Open them. Open again. Closed. Let you guys hear it on the inside now. So Mustang GT50, fully built. Now, this is valves closed. He's gonna take it down the road for us and then come back and do valves open. What a sexy car. I love that color too. It's a good looking car. So this is valves closed, guys. Oh, phenomenal. Wow. Still sounds phenomenal even though it's closed. He's gonna bring it back and do the valve open. And he said he's gonna launch it, so stay tuned. There it is. Now he's gonna do launch control and open it up. I think he just opened the valves. Here we go, valves open. Yeah, he's gonna launch it. I gotta get this. Beast mode! What a beast! Definitely a beast. Enjoy, guys. Hope you guys like it. Only at Exhaust Addicts, boys and girls. Hope you guys like it. Hey guys, check it out. 2019 Giulia, Alfa Romeo. See it right there? We just did a muffler and resonator delete, so it's fully straight pipe. Gonna rev it. Oh yeah, that sounds good. All right. Go ahead and take it down the road. Sounds clean. It's not crazy loud. Those Giulias always need a downpipe to get really loud, like a high flow downpipe. Just want to let you guys know that. Enjoy.